just hang up on how should I ever feel? Sorry, and then I would try to none of this with you. 'Cause I've been so long, so long.
Hey you guys, welcome to Naya Art Space. Hi, how are you? Let's see. It has been long time I haven't done digital art video. I was planning to make watch unboxing video, but maybe it will be another time. This is the tablet I use for digital art drawing. So, will this be tutorial animated video? I wish. Nope, it is my struggle rant video. Anyway, the reference I will be using was Suga from BTS. I love this picture setting. However, Suga's hair in pastel green color has been living in my head rent-free. So I'll just use them, throwing Shooky in because why not? And mix it with my inconsistent art style. The software that I'm using is Sai Paint Tool. I don't have clean sketch, but that's okay, it's me. If you struggle to change your flaw, just learn to love it. Bear in mind that it's been almost a year I haven't drawn any color cartoon portrait, so it might not look 100% same as my previous art style, but we'll see, okay? Everyone, I have something to say. The more I draw, the more I lose sense of my art style. Sincerely, your clown, Naya. The thing is, I had to stop. I mean, look at this. Wait, siapa kau? Yeah, this is not the look and art style that I was going for. So let's just rewind, okay? It was perfect here, and I just need to recolor it back. Hopefully, it was very much from my art style.
Girl, I know I'm not much better than before. Oh, I'm trying to I play it back when it's over, the back when it's over, back when it's over. I want back when it's back when it's over. The way you touching my shoulder, I want back when it's over, the back when it's over. I tried to walk straight, but I'm stumbling down. Try to walk away, but I'm coming back now. I knew I needed you, but I didn't know how. Why I try so hard. Don't know what to do when it's making me cry. Don't know what to feel, I don't understand why. I needed you, but I didn't know why. But now you're leaving. Girl, I know I'm not much better than before. Oh, I'm trying to do the right thing. Now you're leaving. Girl, I know I'm not much better than before. Oh, I'm trying to do the right thing. I play it back when it's over. The way you're touching my shoulder, I wanna tell you, baby, what I'm thinking we could be. Back when it's over, the way you're touching my shoulder, I wanna tell you, baby, what I'm thinking we could be. But Back when it's so fun. Back when it's so fun. I want back when it's back when it's so fun. The way you touch on my shoulder. I want back when it's so fun. The back when it's so fun.
Let's do motion animation on Vegas Pro. I need to arrange all the parts first. This is the easiest part in editing, which is moving the backgrounds. Hola! Next, I want to make Suga's head tilt. The hair's face and expression are all separated. For me, this part is not that hard yet. Quite enjoyable actually, because I can move this cute Shooky. My software keeps crashing when recording, so I'm only able to show small parts only. Okay, here is my failed attempt on motion the leaf movements. My leaf have these drunk-like movements. It took me a couple of times to get it right, okay? For the final result. Chan chan! There's a reason why I make this video in this size. I want to make it as my lock screen wallpaper. Let's open TikTok. Let's change to lock screen. To be honest, this is my first time doing a lock screen animated for my phone. Hopefully it looks good. Yeah, this is amazing. I will call it as one of my accomplishments in life. Oh, so cute, so cute. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe or leave a like. I hope you guys have a nice day. Ta-ta!